All right, I'm going to install this Boomba shift stop, and what that's supposed to do is get rid of some of this slop, because there is a lot of effort on this, trying to get that over, so it's kind of wasted distraction. And there's also a factory stop that we can adjust a little bit for the 5th and 6th. Not as bad, because you're kind of usually just throwing it over, but this one is a little awkward. So this is an inexpensive little kind of drivability upgrade. So let's see how this goes here. Go. Pops up, comes around a little knob there. Take this shift knob off. Probably get a little heavier knob there at some point. Get a little more light in here. So right here is your factory stop, and these are the two bolts holding that on. So what we're going to do is install these socket head cap screws, 5mm here. That looks like about a 10mm socket there. Take these bolts off. Get the Boomba shift stop in. The washers on there. Which I'm going to do need an L angled Allen wrench. So let me get the 5mm L. Alright. Got my L. Allen. So I've got this factory stop pushed all the way over. I'm in 5th. And what I'm going to do is just give it a little tap so I have a little bit of play. Say I have about 10,000th of an inch. Imagine like 3 or 4 pieces of paper thickness maybe. So I'm going to try to not touch that. Come over, do the same thing for 1st and 2nd. getting a little snugging on it. And it's kind of lightly pulled. A little much. Probably do just a little more in. This is a little better. Let's see. All right, and I got about a couple sheets of paper worth, about 5 or 6 thou. You don't need a lot of play. See what happens when I'm on the road. Make sure I take this Allen wrench with me in case I need to open her up, adjust it. So let's go crazy on it, but torquage. Alright, that's not going anywhere. So I'll take these two things with me. I'm going to head out next. That looks good. Let's put this guy back together. Winter's terrible. I think that's how it works. Feels so much better. I don't have to think about coming over this way too much. Third and fourth are just perfect. Self-centering, I like that. Alright, feels good. Drivability improved by 0.00008%. So I hope that helped you. This was a gift as well from, I think, Father's Day, and the exhaust I just installed, that was a birthday gift. So appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.